If you are getting less than 10 bookings a week for your mobile valeting business, watch this. I have spoken a lot of valeting business owners and I keep hearing the same thing. My phone doesn't ring, but my work quality isn't the problem. Here's the truth. It's usually not your service. It's that people can't find you on Google. Look at this, two valeting business, same area, same service quality, but one is at the top of Google with an ad, the other is nowhere to be found. The result, one's phone rings all day, the other is stuck boosting Facebook post with nothing to show for it. Here's why. When someone needs their car cleaned, they search on Google, they don't scroll through Facebook. Google Ads is the only place you can show up at the exact moment someone ready to book. I help mobile valeting business the UK, that means United Kingdom, fix exactly this using Google Ads. If your booking feel low, comment booking below and I will take a free look at your business and tell you what's going wrong. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, follow, must. Thank you so much.